devices like cell phones, that connector right there for the USB-C connector, that is an entry port for water. If you drop this in water, I don't have to tell people what's going to happen. They already know it's going to be damaged. It's because this is not a perfectly sealed, despite all the industry efforts to make it sealed and waterproof. You still have entry ports where water's going to get in there. The NMC will solve that problem just by the nature of how it's made and what it does. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now, just to see people's reactions on a few applications that we've built, it really validates that, yep, okay, we're on the right path and we're going to stay on that path for those reasons and more. In connectors themselves, you have electrical contacts that are exposed. Every single connector is exposed with contacts, and it's just a matter of time. There's no getting around it. Entropy is going to take its toll. Corrosion is going to build up. You're going to mate and unmate different insertion cycles. Well, that spring constant that makes electrical contact is going to wear out, where that connection after so many insertion cycles will wear out, and then the connection is worse over time. Whereas with the NMC solves both of those problems by utilizing methods of coupling, which is behind housing mold. And where you insert them, there's no metallic contacts. And so consequently, all those problems go away. As an additional benefit, it is now hermetically sealed at the interface where water and moisture cannot get in. And it's because I believe in the concept. I believe in what it can do for the world in terms of the problems that it's solved. And the problems, I can talk on and on about it, are prolific and ubiquitous in the connector industry. And the NMC, by just what it is, it solves those problems. And just by building a few examples and dropping it into people's hands, you can see their reactions. They already can do their marketing for you. It's because they already see with those examples, just, oh, if this can happen, if this is possible for this product, what about those products? What about this? I could totally see this and how it can work. You don't need to do any further explaining when they see it work for themselves. And we've got people that have seen those examples and have gotten excited and have started coming up with their own applications on how it could be applied for that. And so it's, after years of doing this, when I see people react that way, that is just more validation beyond the engineering side of things, is that we've really got a product here that is worth getting excited about because of the problems that it can solve. Literally, I'm not joking when I say every decision I've made for the last 10 years have been centered around what's best for this concept. And, see people react, it's just, this is rewarding.